It's your boy, man. We're back at it again, you feel me? It's a brand new day today, it's Tuesday. Finna hit the gym real quick before we can look at the chart, man. You get me? Just trying to win the morning, like I always say, man. If you conquer the morning, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, you feel me? That's what I'm trying to do, so let's get it. You, we're back at it again, you feel me? It's Tuesday today. Gold 4 hour time frame. Right now the time is 2-3 p.m. again. So I'm just gonna do my analysis real quick and just show you, feel me? So what I'm seeing this fair value gap, you feel me? 4 hour fair value gap, I'm just gonna mark it out. If price closes above it, I'm gonna look for buys, you get me? Right now it's looking promising, you feel me? Let me do this real quick. If you have marked out the previous the 4 hour fair value gap, you go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, here's that 4 hour fair value gap, you get what I'm saying? You have previous day high, SPDH and PD low, you feel me? L. Then you have where the market open, which is midnight open, you get what I mean? So as you can see, price initially opened here, came below, took out this liquidity, this liquidity, tapped inside this fair value gap. If I can just extend it, let me do this, wait a minute. I just want to extend this fair value gap. You get what I'm saying? You close it filled the remaining fair value gap that was left here. So right now it's rejecting, went above. We have a fair value gap here, which is important because it broke this lows, but we also have this one and this one, you get me? But if price closes above this one, I think this 4 hour one, because the higher the time frame, the stronger the PDRA, you get me? I'm gonna use this one for my support. You get me? Retest here, aim 1:3, and gold is on the highest high. What you call this? Yeah, on the highest high, you get me? It recently broke on the highest high, but let's go to the 15. I want to see something on the 15. Okay, on the 15 we broke this high and this high, you gave me, creating a market structure shift. But as you can see here, it's leaving liquidity. I don't like when it does this, when it leaves liquidity like this. But I might just, you feel me, because it took out this liquidity here. If it closes above here, I'm gonna confidently enter here, you get me, without worrying about this liquidities, because it took out this liquidities, you get me? So right now I'm just gonna wait and see what price does. You can reject on this 1 hour 15 minutes time frame, because there's a fair value gap here after breaking this high, creating a market structure shift, like you get me? So I'm gonna wait on this fair value gap. Let me just mark it out, but I don't want to mark it out. I just wanna wait on this fair value gap and see how it reacts. But the thing is, I can't mark it out right now because this candle is not yet closed, you get me? So I'm just gonna wait on it and I'll just update you. But I'm looking for buys if it closes above the 4 hour. If it rejects, then I might be looking for sells to take out this lows and the previous day low, you get me? It depends, but I'll just update you during the day on which one I trade, you get me? We're back at it again, you feel me? Right now it's gold 1 hour time frame, you get me? As you can see, price hit take profit, you get me? Hit the target that you were aiming for, 1:3, you get me? So let me just explain what I was seeing. So basically here, let me go to the lower time frame. But before I go to the lower time frame, let me explain here. As you can see, price traded below, touched here. I explained this in the morning, when I was previously, you gave me previous analysis. So it came back here. Remember, I tried to mark the fair value gap here, and I told you that I can't mark it out because this candle is not yet closed. As you can see, it came back below, took out liquidity here. On the lower side, you'll see it properly, and once it gave me a rejection like this and a bullish close of candle like this, that's when I placed my entry. I placed it based on the 1 hour, you get me? But I just want to show you the 15 minutes. on when I was seeing on the 15th. So basically this is the liquidity that I was telling you about. As you can remember, I was skeptical about this liquidity. So price did come below, take out this liquidity before it can drive above the game. So once it took out this liquidity and started trading above like this, I was confident that the price won't come back again below, you get me. So once it closed, that's when I placed my entry on the 1 hour time frame, you get me, which is here. So basically that's the end of the video, that's the end of the trade. Today's Tuesday, we took it down, you feel me. Tomorrow is Wednesday, Friday is gonna be NFP. So I think we're gonna trade until tomorrow. Maybe Thursday we might try something, but I doubt it, you get me. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video here, and thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time, you feel me.